Hey, I am recording uh, before time today because I have some free time. Yeah, so again, weird day at work. Did not feel like working much, still ended up finishing off my tasks. So that was good. Did not attend much meetings because did not feel like talking to people. So yeah, I am in those one of those moods where I just don't want to interact much. But I think journaling helps. So this way I am at least letting it out. I have been feeling a little down. I don't know why, but what the origin point of this feeling is, I have absolutely no clues. But I think keep, I'll sit with it and then I'll just live through it so that when it comes back, I know how to handle it better. I think that's a very good way of handling stress or mood swings. So, yeah. And I am planning to go on a trip. Let's see what happens. No bookings done as of now, but I have to book some place and I will take some time out because I think I'm again reaching the burnout uh, stage. So before I reach that, I should just take some time out. Apart from that, what else? Wanted to reach out to some of my friends, but then I decided not to for now, at least till the time I don't get in a better frame of mind. I will try to not contact them and burden them with whatever I'm feeling. I think it's best to first figure it out, and then when I'm in the right frame of mind, I can just talk to them, and it will not be like I'll be dumping my stresses on them. I'll not call it trauma as of now. So yeah, um, yeah, feels a little heavy right now, but I know it'll get better, and it's just a phase. It'll pass. Uh, have realized that eventually everything in life just turns out well, and this is just a transient feeling, and this will just pass. So yeah, looking forward to that time, that end of the tunnel's light. You just have to cross the tunnel though. So I think that's it for today. And be positive, everybody. Just be happy. We just get one life. We have to make the most of it. So, yeah, let's talk more tomorrow. Ta-da!